Hey, beautifuls. Thank you so much for all of the comments on my reposted video from a few years ago about how to raise and lock your energy. I reposted that because I'm starting another series on how to do that, especially since the holidays are coming. Things have been really crazy and chaotic in our community, in the government. So, protecting our energy, knowing how to work with our energy is really, really important right now. For that reason, if you are interested in learning more, there are two different ways that you can learn from me right now. One is the mini course that I offer inside of Goddess University, which is you can find it in my bio. Click Goddess University, and then the course is there. That course is going to teach you how to shield, the different ways that you can raise and shield your energy very quickly, even if you are out in public. I am looking at, okay, anyway, even if you're out in public, you're in a work environment, you're trying to be discreet, okay? Now, if you want to know how to really work with your energy and change your life like that same day and move different, especially if you are interested in manifesting or identity shifting and all of those types of things, having a stable, healed energy field, aura field, all of those things really help with this, right? It helps with the transition. It ensures that you don't have a bounce back. It does a lot for you in those areas. So on November 22nd and 23rd, I'm going to be hosting a 2-day energy lock and vitality activation. There's only 20 spots. Let me say that first. There's only 20. I may do it again, or I may just offer the replay next year, but I won't be doing another one this year. There's only 20 spots because I'm going to work with each of you on whatever issues. And when you come to class, we're going to go through and see, like, do you have any blockages in your chakras? Do you have, a chronic neck ache? Are you having migraines? And we're going to do some energy work together to clear those. So everybody gets an opportunity to experience that with me during the live. And that's why there's only 20 people. So on day one, though, we're going to do energy shielding. We're going to do spiritual grounding and energy clearing. I'm going to teach you, and I'm teaching you these techniques that you're going to be able to take with you for the rest of your life, right? You're going to have access to the replay forever. So when anything happens, you have this as a reference point. So I'm also going to teach you how to do intuitive energy testing within your own body. We're going to do some pain release and some energy renewal healing, and that's where everybody gets a turn at that. And we're going to do chakra awakening and alignment. All of that is day one. And we will have some breaks in there. Day two, we're going to do aura strengthening, spiritual vitality, and joy infusion. Because now that you've healed, you're not suffering from some of the chronic issues. You know how to be grounded and clear and shielded, right? We want to call in joy. We're going to do some spiritual vitality and joy infusion techniques so that you can really know how to call in happiness and peace and serenity just in your own personal biosphere. And then we're going to heal with energy. We're going to end with energy techniques for that you can do after exposure to toxic, draining, or addictive loved ones, right? Or work environments, or just people in general. So if you would like to join, comment energy healing, or just say, I'm in the comments, and I will send you all of the information. Again, there's only 20 spaces, and it's a first come, first serve basis. And actually, I'm doing this class and I'm donating 100% of the proceeds to Goddess Life Ministries because we are still on a mission to feed 100 families, and we've got about 60 families still on the list. Cards are still going out. But we're going to use this to get us over the finish line so that there are no families on our list that go hungry. So thank you so much for all of your love and your support and your comments. I hope to see you in the course next week. Love you. Bye.